Okay, here it is, people. The Samsung S10e. I went with the blue, as you can see here. Oops, I'm gonna break it already. It's got a nice blue color case. I was very excited about the fact that Best Buy had only one blue one left. And the box, I don't know if this means the color of the phone is blue or that's just how they make it, but I like the box as well. I have the S5, S7 Edge, which I'm using to record. And now I've got the S10. I went with the S10e because of the price comparison with my S7 Edge. I did a lot of comparison when it comes to resolution and camera quality and speaker quality, and it all really is just a little bit better than my S7 Edge. So the fact that Fido was able to give me a $0 down payment on the phone, I jumped on the offer. So in the box here, it comes with these new headphones. I thought were wireless, because if you look at it like this, looks like those new wireless buds that I see people with, and the girl looks at me, she's like, no, there's wires inside. I said, oh. I said, I guess my age, being 40 almost, is catching up to this technology, because it's growing faster than I am. This thing is transfers the files between two phones. So I plug this into this, and then into my old phone with a charger, and it will transfer files, or you can just do it through your Google account or your Samsung account. So there you have it, people. I'm gonna turn this on. I got it charging. Fingerprint scanner is already activated, and goes right to my Facebook, because obviously I'm Facebook on it all the time. And it's very fast. It's a very fast phone. I am excited to see the benefits of switching to this phone. It has this notch on the top here, which I like a lot. It's different from other phones that I've seen when they have that notch on the top here, which I've seen. So that's basically it. I'm just charging her up, giving her a good full charge. It does have fast charging. It does have a jack, phone jack, and it has 128 gigabyte memory storage with a 6 gigabyte RAM. Now, for those of you who aren't aware about 6 gigabyte RAM, that's fast. My previous S7 Edge and my S5, they both have, I think, 4 gigabyte RAM. So I'll be able to go between apps without having any delay or any lag. So there you have it, people. I think inside this box here, there's like a manual and also the pin to take the SIM card slot, which is on the top here. There you have it. It's a very nice looking phone. There you have it. There you can see a reflection. It's kind of like a mirror as well. So there it is, people. I hope you've enjoyed my demonstration.